everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Dead by Daylight error code 3 easy anti-cheat account validation failed. Fix 1. Repair easy anti-cheat. First open Steam and right-click Dead by Daylight. Then click Properties and go to Installed Files. From there click Browse and open the easy anti-cheat folder. Right-click easy anti-cheat underscore setup.exe and choose Run as Administrator. Now select Dead by Daylight and click Repair Service. Fix 2. Verify game files. Open your Steam library and right-click Dead by Daylight and from there select Properties. Now click on Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now wait for the scan to finish and restart the game. Fix 3. Run as Administrator. Right-click the Dead by Daylight desktop shortcut. From there click Properties and open the Compatibility tab. Now check the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then click OK. Fix 4. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Go back to the Easy Anti-Cheat folder inside your game files and run Easy Anti-Cheat underscore setup.exe as an administrator. Then click Uninstall in the bottom left corner and click Install to add the service back. After that, restart your PC. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.